compared last year. Compared last year, mas ganahan ko karon, kaya mas nagagtao. Ano no, malipayo ng mga tao. Para na ko na, makuha ang status ko.
So, the celebration mayor, sa aswang, message sa mga tao and expectation.
Same, nagkanya mong tao mo itong ginahatagi emphasis ng cultural security. Magkakanaway kita, magkalabangay kita, kaya we-survive ta sa ingana nga pamaagi na tinapangay kita. So, di man na lang nila ang cultural security. Kaya dagang tao sa dalan eh, di ka kaibawa ba? So, magbinantay, tinapangay kita.
Mayor, how are we going to celebrate Kadayawan amidst challenges of the city government, especially the leadership? How are we going to celebrate amidst the challenges?
Wala may problema, kaya naman ko rin as acting mayor. So the previous years, kung saan nato ginadalang Kadayawan, nga na nagyapon with the improvements. So status quo lang magyapon.
Mayor, I'm sorry but I have to ask, what is your reaction on the Senate archive, the articles of impeachment against Amy Sara? What's your reaction?
Honestly, sa simula pa lang kasi talaga, it's purely political. That's why, yung ano ko lang talaga, hindi ko lang maintindihan bakit hindi nila binibigyan ng respeto talaga yung en-bank decision ng Supreme Court. That's really a heavy, statement coming from the judiciary. Actually, that's lagi ko inuulit, it's an objective view of the situation because they are there to interpret the law. However, ito namang mga politicians, they are elected officials and they represent the people or whatever, but they're elected, so meaning they're politicians. Their decisions are very subjective. Okay? So, ngayon, may decision yung Korte Suprema and yet they still want to push the issue. So, para lang sa akin kasi, kailangan natin respetuhin talaga yung Supreme Court because there are three separate branches of government. These are co-equal branches. So, bakit marami pa tayong pinag-uusapan? They are the ones who interpret the law. They already made the decision. Ibig sabihin, that should be final. Okay? So, sige na lang. Hintanay mo democracy. Sige. Nakarating sa Senate, ipapalik na naman. I suppose, yung Congress, mag-empire na naman yan ulit. Pero, I'm going to say what I said before. And from the beginning, it's a political scheme. It's a smear campaign against the Vice President.
Mayor, the House opposition lawmakers are still condemning the decision of the Senate. What can you tell them?
No, it's okay. It's a democracy. So yeah, they can say whatever they want. If you don't have the numbers, you can't have the cake. You can have the prize. Okay, so that's it. So you can say whatever you want.
Sir, in his interview in India, sir, the president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment. And he doesn't, hindi siya makikialam.
I don't really think it matters what he says because nothing that comes out of his mouth is, worth listening to. I don't know, I heavily criticize the president, so it's been like that since the start of his term, But actually, but I don't want to even look into what he's saying because nothing really good comes out of his mouth. Okay, so mularga na po ko soon kay para tanaw na po ako kumahan. Like any other person that would be in detention, you would be depressed and you would have trouble eating, di ba? Di ba ganahan ko, you would lose your appetite. So mga ko makita saya, but cognitively it's okay, but it's not a young person, it's old. Ano ba? So yung lawas is okay, but pero payat na gid siya. Payat na gid siya kay tanaw na ko, wa siya makakaon og tarong kay tungod, like wala gana. Wala gana. Kung nakasibalay, you're with family and friends, makakaon man ka, so wala na yung problema na yun. Pero kung ikaw, bisag kinsa sa tua, like any other ordinary person, ibutang kag detention center, even without a clear, case against you without due process, how would you feel? So mauna sa mga tamo sa katao. It's very unjust yun ang ginabuhat sa iya karon. So, sige lang, siya may mayor nato gyapon. Okay, siya yung mayor nato, acting mayor ko. And he's been mayor here for several years already. Let's just follow his direction. Kani adto pa hantod karon. Mauna ang dabawin niyo. Salamat kayo.
Mayor na mayag ka, Mayor.
Ang sa'yo sekreto, Mayor. Tuloy ko.
Curious.
So, I will take this opportunity para i-promote na ko ang doktor nga si Juan Baker, medical aesthetics. So, pero Juan, it's discipline na gina sa Juan yun. What you put in your mouth? Pagkaon nyo na.
Physical activity.
Gym, basketball.
Thank you, Mayor.
Salamat kayo ha.